Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malviya. Welcome to another session from Playwright with Java. This is lecture 3, and in this lecture I'm going to cover you this topic called drag and drop. So this is a drag and drop feature you can see. So this is a draggable object and this is a droppable object where I need to drop it. Okay, and here you need to check here status is ready. Okay, so as soon as I you know uh, try to drag this A from the original position to B, as soon as I put it on B, you can see swap successfully. Okay, that message we need to validate even though you are not able to see A on the B, but this message you need to validate. That means the drag and drop completed, the process got completed. Okay, even B to A, you can see the process got completed and we were able to see that swap successfully. That we need to validate. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay, so for that we are going to create a new class here. Let me create a new class. So lecture, this is our lecture 4, and this is for drag and drop. Okay, and here I'm going to use the main class, and now we are utilizing. So let me do not write again, so let me copy and paste from here to here so that it will be easy for you to focus on where we wanted to show today. Okay, so page dot. Okay, so now what we need to do, first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to create a locator for both draggable and droppable elements. Okay, so what is draggable? So for that what we need to do, locator draggable, we have to get it from the page. Okay, so here we are going to use the locator. Okay, so here I'm going to use a XPath for the draggable. Okay, same thing we are going to check for droppable. So let me show you from here. This is draggable, and let me use id. There are many attributes, id, class and other thing. Let me use id with this div. So let me use div. I always recommend you to create your own XPath or CSS. That will be always helpful. So you can see 1 out of 1 element. Okay, you can use this one here, and similarly you can create a locator for droppable. So let me name it droppable, and I believe there is only one change. So you can see for droppable we have column B, only A to B we need to make a change. Okay, so let me check again from here. Okay, that's fine. Control droppable. So let me put change item. Okay, so these two locators we created. Now what we need to do, we need to use this draggable, copy, and we need to use drag to. You can see the method is coming, drag to. Okay, and here we need to pass the droppable. Okay, that's all, nothing we need to do. Okay, and you can mention let me use one more thing, page dot, we need to store that one, right? So for that first we need to get the text from that. So what is that? The message will come here, right? So we need to fetch this one. So for that again we need to create XPath for this. So what is XPath? P and id drag status. Okay, so id is drag status, and idp, right? So 1 out of 1, that's fine, this is fine. And this I'm going to save a text, right? So we are going to get the inner text of it, and we have to save as a text, a message. Let's say message, and the return type will be string, right? So this message we are going to show in the print logs. Okay, so message directly printed, so message. Okay, this will be printing here, and now after that page dot close, that make this habit to always close it, close. Okay, that's all. Let me run this one. Current file is fine. Okay, Okay, it is coming here. Then okay, I believe this work. Yeah, you can see swap successfully. Then that means our swap happened. So this is about how to do drag and drop. Thank you so much for listening me. Thank you.